All right, folks. So now I'm streaming in 3 different places. Hooray! Let's get some work done. Okay, so I am, yeah, I actually recorded a tip, and so I want to put this back with this one. Here we go. Now we can have our designs and our app. I still need to change this. It's not 2 clicks. It takes more than 2 clicks. But anyway, let's hold on a second. There's changes in here. What do we got? Oh, we cleaned up imports. Yeah, that's right. Okay, we can minor changes. Okay, cool. And go ahead and push. Why not? Okay, and I'm gonna get centered started to keep me focused. Probably only have time for a single Pomodoro time thing. Okay, sorry, just getting a bunch of oh, nice. Okay. Well, yeah, just gonna do this with my phone really quick. So that centered can tell me if I am distracted by my phone. And then we can get to work. Okay. So, let's look at the user profile page. Looks like garbage. Cody is a host. I think actually we want to, yeah, we're good. So starting here on the host page, yeah, this page needs to be done by tomorrow. So let's go host, username host. Here we are. Okay, so yeah, let's just start with HTML. We can figure out all this action, the old action stuff and whatever. Yeah, we don't, lots of this stuff we actually don't need anymore because we moved that over to the settings page. So, yeah, there's actually not a whole lot different between this and when I'm logged in as myself, except for the this thing. So we'll design this because I'm on my own page. So, okay, coming to here. This is kind of bothering me, but that's fine. Let's just get rid of all this nonsense. We're gonna have this as a container, MX auto, and oh, one other thing. Before I can really get into this. Where is that? There we go. Okay, so now we're going to have another div. This is going to be for this thing. And this is going to have a rounded, I can't remember, I think it's going to be like a 3XL. Pretty sure that's what that ends up being. We've got 24 pixels. That is, yep, that's right. And the background is that, whoops. I think, yeah, that's in my tailwind. There we go. It's, yeah, night muted. BG night muted. Okay. That looks darker than that. And then we've got 48 on all sides, presumably. That looks like it's smaller, but we're going to make it 48 on all sides. So, is that 12? Yeah, that's 12. P12. We've got our div for the image and rating. So this would be get user image source from data user dot. Okay, data. No, yeah, user. So this just needs to give me image ID. True. And then we can image ID. Rounded full. That is correct. And then we've got another div that is going to be a unique color. Don't think we've got this anywhere else. So we will not. Oh, it's actually a linear gradient. And I know you can do pretty darn fancy things with Tailwind, but this is one place where we're going to not do that. Here, actually, let me just double check. Yeah, we do have that in a couple places. So we're going to make this a component. This is our star rating display component. Yeah, I hate that, but yeah, it is what it is. Star rating display module.css. And star rating display background linear gradient yada yada yada. Okay, cool. And then this is export a function called star rating display, and rating is going to be a number, and then we will return. Here, let's import our styles from star rating module.css. And we've got our div. Yep, that's kind of it. Not really, actually. Not even close. Okay. And then we've got, what in the world? No. You think I'm doing something else, Copilot. That's not what I'm doing. To fixed 2 digits. And I will be getting the SVGs later. This also, CLSX, rounded full. And, oh, good grief. Let's zoom in on this thing. You're not going to tell me how wide you are you? Width is 69. I mean, I think it'll probably just take the width that it is. But I do want the font size here. Font size 20. Yeah, text. 1min is asking. So for those of you on Twitter who don't normally watch me stream, welcome. And those of you on Twitch, this is fun. I chat on Discord. I am actually seeing your chats. I will probably close that eventually because it's very difficult for me to keep track of the chats and also stay productive. But if you want to chat and you like, I absolutely appreciate chats. And like, I appreciate when it's on task or like on subject. If you want to ask me regular questions just off the top of your head, that is fine. And that's why I have office hours. So go to my website, search up office hours. It's great. But yeah, 1min is a regular here, and I really appreciate their comments and stuff. The modal server rendering bug, I did not fix that. I'm kicking the can on that one. We're going to figure that out later. I think it's a radix issue of some kind. They probably don't normally expect people to server render the modal. So, and certainly not in the way that I am doing it. So anyway, yeah, okay, so we're a font size of 20. That means, I think that's a 2XL maybe. Nope, that is just an XL. Yeah, there we go. And this is going to be text black, I believe. Nope, they're doing this nonsense here. I don't think we've got that color, so we're just going to do black. Heck with that. We'll just do it right here. The trick is, this is what it looks like in dark mode, but we've got a light mode here too. So we could just do text that, and then we can easily do the dark mode. Yeah, heck with that. We've got this. We'll just do this. Okay, cool. So we've got our star rating. Let's stick that here, star rating display. And then our rating, since we should actually have that data already. We've got our reviews. We need to, and I always forget. Oh yeah, calculate overall rating, average of all reviews. Okay, we'll just hard code this for now. We'll do that later. Or number, what do I call that? Oh, that's stupid. My bad. Rating 4.5. Oh, and that is a number 4.5. Okay, to do not hard code this. We'll get that eventually. Right now we're focused on the styling. Okay, so the background is not taking for some reason. I can imagine a couple reasons why that might be. Yep, there we go. As primarily because the CSS modules and hot module replacement stuff is not working super great right now. And actually there was a release of Remix today. Maybe it fixed some of my HMR bugs, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, so we're not done with the star rating thing. This also needs to have 6 on top and bottom and 12 on the sides. So padding, yeah, I guess this is not gonna, well, from the X perspective, we can do 3, and from the Y perspective, we'll just do 6 pixels, and that's fine. And then we need this to be probably inline block. There we go. Beauty. Why did I say 2 fixed 2? I definitely meant 2 fixed 1. There we go. That looks pretty close. Okay. Yeah, definitely will look better when we have an actual SVG. Okay. 1 minute. It's early morning for you. So does that mean you're in like Australia maybe? No, that would be you're more like not India. Maybe like Middle East. What time is it in Israel? Somewhere around there, maybe. I don't know where you are. It's kind of fun to guess. Okay, so let's get the avatar in the right position and looking the right size. So this is 200 by 200. We do that actually on the settings profile. And that, all right, we put it in here. Yeah, we're doing something actually quite similar in some ways. Yes, okay, so get rid of that. And then this is going to be a div around this thing with the class name absolute. Hey, Atticus, holy smokes. Haven't seen you in a long time. Hey, friend. My goodness, it's nice to see you. Yeah, so I don't, like I said, I am trying to focus on my work, but I will show you the repo here. Remix, flat, routes, here it is from Kilman. So take a look at that. It's awesome. I love this convention. It's the hybrid routes convention. It allows me to really easily, at any point, just say, you know what, this dot stuff is awesome, but I want to group a couple of files together in a way that's sensible. Yeah, it's awesome. Really, really nice convention. It was originally the implementation of what is now the V2 routes route convention in Remix, but there's a couple other features, and that's why I'm using it. So yeah, it's cool. Okay, cool. So let's get the. Does that look a little? No, that's pretty big. Yeah. Okay, so let's position this thing where it's supposed to go. So, oh man, I need to do better with this, because Cody, as awesome as Cody is not a square image, and so we get some what looks like padding on top and bottom. So here we're going to go to Unsplash, and we're going to grab astronaut. I should just grab the astronaut picture from my designs, but we'll go with this. Yeah, this will work. Download. And then we'll get a square version of this image. I'll move this over so I can see. Just square it. Keep it square. Probably something like. Okay, cool. And then we can actually use the feature I just built. So if we go to settings, profile, and we upload a new photo, save, kablooey. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. There we go. Now we get the full experience. That actually looks fun. Okay, so now this is how we're gonna do this. We'll say bottom 0. Whoops, why is the, position, hold on a second, I'm on the wrong thing. Here we go. Bottom is 0, and then, yeah, width is 100%. I think width is 100% is not necessary. Flex, justify center, there we go. And the bottom should actually be negative, and let's see where that line comes. It looks like it's pretty much in the center, so we need it to be like 50% of the height of this thing, which is 40, so 20 pixels. That looks wrong though. Yeah, that's definitely wrong, so I'm not sure how that math works out, but we're gonna go with 12. Okay, cool. So with that, we're going to, and I don't think we need the width. That's, oh, we do. Okay, fine. With full, flex, justify center. Ooh, I wonder, align items center. That's not going to do anything, right? Yeah, because that's just how it's going to work. Hey, that's new. I hover over this, and it shows me that. Oh my gosh. Baseline, and now look. That's where it's aligning. Holy smokes, that's awesome. I like that. Ooh. What? How did I not ever notice that? I mean, I noticed this thing, but I did not know you could do that. Good grief. Well, that's neat. Okay. Anyway, we've got justify center, and let's see, negative bottom 3. Okay, let's just get rid of those styles. Cool, that looks awesome. And now we put the image. Oh, sweet. I hope you love Remix. I'm glad that my streams have been helpful. They've been helpful for me. You know what they do with my streams is I actually have a team at Egghead, or Skill Recordings, watches all of my streams and makes notes of the things that I'm doing and decisions I'm making, and then we'll turn that into like probably notes, but also just things to help me make sure that I'm covering the right concepts in the right time and stuff like that. Yeah, it's going to help a lot actually. So that's a big reason why I'm streaming so much of building this app, is because it's actually pretty helpful for what I'm doing. So anyway, now we're going to take this thing. We need this container to be relative, Ooh, yeah, we need to actually put this in a div so this can be absolute. And this is relative, absolute, and yeah, now this is going to be, I guess it'd probably be top of negative top of 28 maybe. Let's see what that does. Yep, okay. Not quite enough. We've got maybe 36 or 40. We're on the second half as it's coming back in, so yeah, probably 48. Let's see what 48 looks like. That's maybe too far, so 44. Cool. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. That does look too far. Okay, so let's go back to 40. 40 is fine. Yeah. Okay, and then we need to scooch this over 176. I'm not sure why it's as scooted over as it is. Maybe it's because the padding. That's probably what it is. Here, let's put some content in this thing. I think that'll make it look a little bit better. So we'll have, yeah, a div that has class name, flex, and justify between. And then here's our div that has an h1 data user name or data user username. Let's get up to, see, I used to be able to command click on data.user and it would take me to data user, and I don't know what I did that made that not happen anymore. That's really sad though. It used to work. It would take me right here and it was awesome. Anyway, we need to get the name. So now, yeah, it's their name or that. Class name here is probably text 4XL, maybe? Maybe it's even 6XL. Let's find out. 40. I can't ever remember what the scale on this is. So yeah, 5XL is probably too big. Yeah. So 4XL, and then, oh, we actually have username index that has this same stuff. So just snag that. Beautiful. User join date. We will calculate that. Here. Yeah, we still need to figure that out properly. Oh, you know what? Actually, this is the host. We want the host created at. Yeah. I think we want the host created at. If the user not host. There we go. There we go. That is correct. Okay, we don't need the created at for the user. Maybe you can use position top with a percentage. Yeah, probably would be better. I think you might be delayed, Woodman. Because that was a little while ago. Let's look at. Oh yeah. You're right. That probably would be better. It's not 50% though. Definitely not. If we do 2/3, maybe. That it did not do what I thought it would. That's interesting. Yeah. Okay, we're going to back that up. It looked fine. Okay, so we need to get ourselves a little space from the top. That's 116. That's around 29, so like probably not 32, probably 28. Where is that? Right here. That's the same for all these. Yeah. Ah! Whoops. Okay, so margin top 28. There we go. Oh, and we're going to need some space between these as well. So that's 44, so 11. For, yeah, yeah, there we go. Cool, that's starting to look correct. We got to scooch this over a bit. And this is actually kind of interesting because what I have right now is a flex container for this. So here's one side, here's the other side, but that won't work because we want this to be centered. Yeah, so what we really need is, yeah, this definitely needs to be columns. So grid call, wait, grid calls to, and that way I can center it. How do I? Okay, no. Here's, yeah, this will work. So what if, well, yeah, I'll just do this. No, this will be, we can put this in here. We'll have a just an empty div right here. And then a div to wrap this. Yeah, I knew it. I messed this up. Back it up. Okay, so starting over, I want to put this inside of here, and then I want it to have a sibling div, and then I need this to have a div for stats, whatever. Okay, so then this is going to be wrapped by a div that is relative, which means we don't need that to be relative anymore. And yeah, that way I can say that we can put the content here in the center. How's that working? Oh, I blew it up because of that thing. Yeah, this is another one of the HMR bugs. I should probably just upgrade Remix to get that fixed. Let's scooch this over just a bit. Whoa. Okay. Whoops. Hold on a second. There we go. Yeah, that's better. So here are our grid stuff. Okay, so this grid, I want things should be justify items. Yeah, we want to justify items in the center. Is that really what that ends up looking like? Okay, where are my grid lines? That is not correct. Even, oh, it's because, yeah, my other stuff that I've got here, probably. Oh my goodness, we're in we're in trouble. Yeah, so this relative is for the star rating thing. This absolute is, yeah, how did all that happen? I'm pretty sure we want this there. Actually, not all of this. We want this around the image. We got this left 0 thing. Let's get rid of that. Okay, left. Huh. I am confused. Why is this where it is? I would definitely expect it. See, that's where the div is. It's right there. So why is... Yeah, okay. Whoa, where does fixed put it? I have no idea. Is it hidden? Nope. I don't know where fixed is putting that. Yeah, well, the whole reason I was doing this is because I figured if this div can be centered. Here, we need to justify item center. Yeah. Justify items, center. Yeah, let's refresh too so that we don't have a bunch of styles all over the place. How? That's interesting. If I do inset 0, it ends. Okay, so I think what's happening here. If I put this there, I think we're probably going to be better off. Yeah, there we go. That makes more sense, actually. Okay, so still a little confused. Where's this margin top? Oh, that's right. I had that margin top for something else. We'll bring that back. Actually, we'll stick that right. Actually, you know what? We're gonna say height will be that. We'll probably need to adjust it. Let's put it down to 20. Okay. And then this guy can have a top of minus 15 rem. Okay. Something like 11 rem. Let's do it in pixels. Okay. So we're at like 44. And that's on hold on a second. That's interesting. This position relative. Aha. Okay, we're in a mess. Refresh. There we go. Yeah, that actually looks pretty good. Except I think we do want this to be 4 to 4 instead. Where is... Yeah, save that. That does look like it's too high. Yeah, it does. Okay, 40 it is. Okay, And then I think this is, yeah, that's kind of funny. But if I don't have that, then it goes kablooey, right? Whoa. Well, actually, I want to put this. If I do that, let's see what that does. Yep, that is not going to do it. Yeah, so that, because the div doesn't have any size, it's not going to be centered. So I think what we can do, though, is we can say width 52. And I wonder, what if we do that? Yep. Okay, that does not look center. And I think it's because the text is not centered. And it should be. We actually want all of this text to be centered, but yeah, we'll just do that. Yep. Okay, let's see that space here between this and that is 8. We'll just do a margin top of 2. That will give us that. And then we need 40. So margin top, or here, let's have a div, class name, margin top of 10, and become host fetcher. Yeah, nope, we're not doing that anymore. In fact, do I have that? Yeah, we don't even have form on here at all. These are literally just links. Oh, that's so much easier. Yeah, we don't need that either, actually, no. So that's nice. Yeah, so much of this. In fact, I don't think we have a single action on here anymore. Literally all just links. So that's awesome. Let's get rid of this stuff. Goodbye action. Whoops. Yep. Goodbye. Yeah, I'm feeling so much better about this. Those of you who've been around for a while know that I've been doing an outrageous amount of copy paste in this project, and it has so paid off because I've changed a crazy amount. And if I had spent all that time abstracting and trying to make it perfect, yeah, we'd be in trouble right now. It'd be really annoying to work in. I'm glad that I did this image. It looks awesome. Okay, so we've got our space. Let's add our buttons for my chat and edit host profile. This one can be flex. So flex and gap of, oh man, I hate this. But these certain buttons I can't select. Okay, so that gap is 16. So a gap of 4. And then we have a button. Oh, you know what? Now it's finally time to go to our forms. And we're going to have... Okay, so sometimes you have links that look like buttons. Sometimes you have buttons that look like links. What do you call those? Is it a link button if it is a button that looks like a link? Or is it a link button if it's a link that looks like a button? I'm pretty sure it makes the most sense if I say I have a link button. That is a button that looks like a link, where the link is an adjective that describes the button. So it's a link button. I'm making a button link. Link. And that is that. Link. Yeah. You're complaining because Oh, type of. Okay, good. You're not allowed to provide your own class name. Nope, nope. Yeah, so button link right here to someplace. Here, let's just make sure that it's going to complain if I don't provide the 2. This is the variant is primary. The size is medium. And it's still complaining because we don't have the 2. Thank you, TypeScript. So 2 is chat. I'm coming up on break time. Gee. Okay. My chat button link. I think I do need to wrap things up, but it's late. Mail. Stick that there. We'll fix that later. Okay, and then let's see. So then we say is logged in user. We're going to say logged in user. There we go. So then we say is logged in user. This is another button link to, this will be profile or settings profile, and a variant in this case actually is a secondary and medium and pencil edit profile. We're missing something. Oh, otherwise, no. Great. See what that looks like. Dun, 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 dun. Now, is logged in user should be true because I believe I'm logged in and I'm looking at myself. And data user. I busted it again. There we go. There you are. You look amazing. This is why I have this. There we go. Edit profile or fiel. Yeah, I still got to figure out why it's taking 2 seconds to rebuild. That should definitely not take 2 seconds to rebuild. But, yep, there we go. It looks great. The emoji really kind of messes it up, doesn't it? Okay, so then we've got our stats that are over here. But I'm freaking loving this. This is great. We also need to think about responsive and stuff. So much work to do. But this is it for me. I've got to be done. So we'll be doing this again tomorrow. So I think things probably went well. Let's just for the fun of it, let's look at our Twitter notifications, see if anybody, yeah, same for pieces. Where is that that tweet? There it is. Hello, live stream ? Why? I used an emoji, and it replaced it with a question mark. 4 people favorited it. How many people are watching? 3 people? I mean, you all are very important to me, of course. But yeah, for 3 people, I paid for the restream thing. It's fine. I'm just joking. Oh, there's a button, view on Twitch and view on Twitter. I can go see the broadcast right here. Oh, that's sweet. Hello, Twitch friends. 3 on Twitch. All right, which is gonna win here? Let's see what YouTube is giving us. We've got 3 on Twitch. 19. Right, which is yeah, that's here. What I'm talking about. YouTube. Well, that's where I normally stream. So, anyway. Oh, and I can actually see it right here, except for Twitter. So it shows me I've got 19 and 3, and it just doesn't show me on Twitter. Anyway, thanks for joining and hanging out. Oh, the button link height, not the same. Let me look at that. Yeah, let's see. That says it's 71. That's 71. The other height, same height. Yeah, it does look like the width is a little different though. But I think that is just because the text. And in here, that is the case as well. So we're fine. Okay, yeah. So tomorrow, I'll just keep on working on this and getting this all implemented. Skipping all of the mobile design for now. Because if we don't get mobile design, that's not going to ruin the workshop. And I need to get the workshop going. Like Monday, I need to start on turning this into workshop material. So yeah, I've got a lot to do. So anyway, Oneman, you have a good day, and I will have a good night. Hope you all have a wonderful everything, and we'll see you. See you tomorrow. Bye.